Ni hao. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Chinese. Before starting to learn Chinese, we should know what the Chinese language is. Chinese is an official language in China, Taiwan, Hong Kong, and Singapore. Apart from these countries, some other East Asian countries with Chinese communities also use Chinese language. Chinese has 8 major dialect groups, with Mandarin and Cantonese being the most popular. Mandarin is commonly used as the standard language across China. Chinese is a logographic and tonal language. The Chinese language does not have an alphabet. Sounds are based on initials and finals. The romanization system, Pinyin, was developed to make it easier for foreigners to learn. Chinese characters sounds are based on initials and finals. Here I have given two different initials and finals. The initials 1 goes with the finals 1, initial 2 goes with the finals 2 only. Here I will read the pronunciation of each initials and finals. My reading will be from left to right and up to down. So let's start with the initial 1 is P, P, M, P, T, Th, N, L, K, K, H, Ch, Ch, S, I, U, Ü, Er, A, I, Wa, O, Yo, E, Ye, Yue, I, Yue, A, Yui, Ao, Yao. Let's see the initial two. Ch, Ch, Sh, R, C, C, S. Let's see the finals. Two, O, Yo, An, Yan, Yuan, Yuan, An, In, Yuan, Yun, Ang, Yong, Yuan, Ang, Ing, Yuan, Ong, Yong. Now, after this initials and final sound comes the tone. Let's see the Chinese tone. Chinese language has four main tones and a neutral tone. Here, four diagrams represent four tones. The first tone is known as high flat tone. Second tone is known as rising tone. Third tone known as falling rising tone. The fourth tone is sharp falling tone. See, if you see the Finin just below the diagram, it's all written is MA ma. But on the character A, alphabet A, there is some marking that's denote the tone. So once in Chinese character, this Finin pronounce, then the meaning will be changed as per the tone. Like I'll pronounce the first tone ma, that is the mother. The second tone ma, that is the fibrous crops. The third tone is ma, that means horse. The fourth tone is ma, That means to scold. So, with changing the tone, the meaning will get changed in the Chinese language. Till now, we have learned initials, finals, and tones. Now, syllable. What is syllable? A syllable is a combination of sounds made up of initials, finals, and tones. Here I am giving four syllables and going to explain how these syllables come from these initial, finals, and tone. So first syllable is Mao. In that initial is Ma, final is Ao, and given tone is first tone. So pronounce as Mao. The second is Y. Here no initial, only final. That's pronounced as a Y, and given tone is second tone. This means is fish. The third syllable is chie. Here, initial is cha, final is ye, and given tone is third. So pronunciation is chie. That means elder sister. The fourth one is er. Here, no initial, only final, and tone is fourth. Er means two. So based on these initials, finals, tone, all the Chinese characters get pronounced. In Chinese language, there are 70,000 to 80,000 characters, and all get pronounced like that only. Thank you for watching my video. I will keep posting Chinese language related videos. Apart from that, if you, your child, your family member want to learn Chinese language, need personal course, please reach out to me. I will give a personal course to you. Also, if any corporate or business houses having business in China or want some business from China, need any help, please reach out to me. I will extend my assistance to you.